Hello everyone, this is Umair Hassan and today we are going to solve exercise 3B of D1 7th edition. The topic is significant figures, rounding of numbers to a particular decimal place. Now the concept of significant figures will be discussed in this lesson. So starting from exercise 3B, question number 1. The question is, state the number of significant figures in each of the following. Question number 1. Part number A. 39018, and you have to state the number of significant figures in this one. Well, we have 1 2 3 4 5 digits and all of them are significant. So right now we have 5 significant figures in this one. The reason is that whole numbers other than 0 are significant. 1 2 3 4 5 6, they are all significant. The problem is with 0. If 0 is between two non-zero numbers, if 0 is between two non-zero numbers, like it is between 9 and 1, 9 is a non-zero number, 1 is a non-zero number. So when 0 is between two non-zero numbers, it is significant. So 3918 are already significant, while 0 is between two non-zero numbers, that will also be significant. So we have 5 significant figure in part number A. In part number B, it's 0.028 030. Yes, we have to look for this one. No, I have told you that 2803, this is significant, number is significant, all the numbers other than 0 have conditions, rest of the numbers are significant. 2 is significant, 8 is significant, this 3 is significant. This 0 is also significant because it is secured between two non-zero numbers. When a 0 is between two non-zero numbers, it is between 8 and 3, so it is secure, it is significant. You have to decide for this one and you have to decide for these zeros. Now the decision about these two zeros is same for all the cases, they are not significant. And we term them leading zeros. They are leading zeros. Whatever is the case, these zeros which are before the non-zero numbers, we don't have any non-zero number before them. These zeros are before the non-zero numbers, so they can never be significant. So leading zeros are not significant in any case. Now we have to talk about this one. This 0 is not leading, it is trailing one, trailing 0. Now trailing 0 is significant if we have a condition. If we have a decimal anywhere in the number, if you have a decimal anywhere in the number, then the 0 after non-zero numbers at the last, which is termed as trailing 0, then it becomes significant if you have a decimal. So how many significant we have? 1 2 3 4 5 significant digits or 5 significant figures. These two zeros are not significant, they are leading, they cannot be significant. The part number C is 2900. Now in this case, this is significant, number is significant other than 0. 9 is significant, we have to decide about them. These two zeros are not significant, although they are trailing zeros, but the fact is that we don't have a decimal. We don't have a decimal anywhere in the number. and if there is no decimal anywhere in the number, then zeros coming after non-zero numbers, they will also be not significant. So basically decimal makes them significant, trailing zeros coming after non-zero numbers, otherwise they are not significant. So we have how many significant digits in this case? We have two significant figures. Question number 2, exercise 3b D1 says round off the following to the number of significant figures as given in brackets. Part number A, 728, and we have to round it off to two significant figures. Right now we have three significant figures in 728 because as I have told you that numbers are significant. Now you can round it off as 730. Now in 730, 7 is significant, 3 is significant, this 0 is not, because we don't have decimal anywhere in the number. This 0 is trailing 0, without decimal it is not significant. The answer is 730. So part number B is of the same question, 503.88, and you have to round it off to four significant figures. 503.88, round it off to four significant figures. Right now we have five significant figures here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In order to round it off to 4, you can eliminate this 8, and when you are going to eliminate this 8, increase this 8 by 1 as per the rule of rounding says. So answer is 503.9, and now you have four significant figures in this case. By eliminating this 8, you have increased this one because this 8 is greater than 5, and rule says if this number which is to be eliminated is greater than 5 or 5, then increase the previous number by 1. So 8 is increased by 1, it becomes 9. The next one is 0. Part number C, 0.0030185, and we have to round it off to four significant figures. Right now we have how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are not significant, they are leading zeros. Leading zeros are not significant, the zeros which are coming before a non-zero number. We have to decide about them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to eliminate this one. If you are going to eliminate this one, you can write it as 0.00301. What about this 8? This is 5. If this digit which is to be dropped is 5 or greater than 5, increase this digit by 1, it will become 9. So this is the answer up to 4 significant figures. The next one is part number D, and that says 6396, rounded off to two significant figures and three significant figures. 6396. Okay, you can round it off. This is 6396. I can round it off to 6400. 396 can be rounded off to 400. Now we have how many significant digits? 2, because these zeros are not significant. We don't have a decimal anywhere in the number. What about rounding off to three significant figures? Okay, you can do it. 6390. 6390. Now we have three significant digits. I have rounded off not to the nearest 10, but according to the situation I need three significant figures. To the nearest 10 it is 6400. To the nearest 10 it is 6400, 6400. But by rounding off to 6400, it has two significant figures. I need three significant figures, so I have to round it off to 6390. This 0 is not significant, we don't have a decimal anywhere in the number. So this is the answer in case you need three significant figures. And for 2, this is the answer. Then part number E says, E is 9.999 9 and you have to round it off to 3 significant figures. Now in this case, so we need to round it to 3 significant figures. So first of all, decide how many significant figures we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 and we need 3. Mean we need 3. Now if I am going to drop this one, this is 9, it is greater than 5, increase this by 1. When you will increase this by 1, it will become 10 and 1 will be carried to this 9. When 1 will be carried to this 9, it will become 10 and 1 will be carried to this 9 and it will become 10. Now what's the solution? Solution is that I need 3 significant, I have a decimal, so 10.0, I have to eliminate this one as well. We have a decimal and when we have a decimal, then zeros are significant. These are trailing zeros coming after a non-zero number. So now we have 3 significant figures, 10.0. The last part for this one is part F and that is 8.076 and you want answer in 3 significant figures. So 3 significant figures mean we need 3. Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Eliminate this 6. This 6 is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, increase this by 1. 7 will be increased by 1. It will become 8.08. Now it is 3 significant figures. In the last, I would like to talk about this one. According to the rules of rounding off, this one is to be rounded off to nearest 10. This should be 6400. In any case, it should be 6400. If in any case you want to round it off to 3 significant figures, then this will be the possible answer. Otherwise, it should be rounded off to 6400 for both the cases. Keep watching. Thank you so much.